Don't be afraid to take the leap. We really felt like before we had partnered with Kornit that we were, about to jump off a cliff. And since partnering with Kornit, we really feel like we have a safety net under us. We have somebody who's very knowledgeable in what they're doing with, decades of experience, and they really kind of took us by the hand and basically said, hey, you're able to do this if you want to. And so to me, that was a huge deal. Everybody we've met with Kornit has made the process really simple. The Kornit techs were very personable, very approachable, very willing to stop in the middle of something to show me, hey, this is how this is done. This is how you fix this. Come here, come take a look at this. You'll need to know this. I really appreciated that since I'm gonna be the one that's operating the machine. Getting it up and running, the challenges that we were given, the adversity we went through was actually, they made it a lot easier than it could have been. We had techs here that were just constantly working, trying to fix issues on our end that had come up. I'm really grateful for that. As far as the applications team, those guys were awesome. They came in and they knew exactly where we wanted to get to, and they helped us get there very quickly and very efficiently. The techs I've actually built relationships with, so it's not like I don't feel like I'm just calling a 1-800 number and spinning the wheel and getting a tech. I feel like I know who I'm talking to because I've seen them and I've talked to them before. The issues that have come up have been very minor, and they've been very generous and very quick to help me get those resolved. It really feels like they took the time to invest in us and be interested in what we're doing and make sure that we have all the tools we need to be successful.